Look at the stick, Chloe. Hey, Chloe, you can't climb. But these stingrays are messy. What do you do?
And then put it up.
These stingrays are messy. Like peace from Jack. Look at all these stingrays. Right there, Chloe, 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 Chloe.
Oh, look at that eye.
Did you get it? Ah! Did you touch it?
No.
Huh?
Bleeding.
The stingray's bleeding?
Yeah, it's bleeding.
And if you guys are wondering why they're bleeding, it's because they're all males in here. There's 13 in total, and they're really territorial, so occasionally they'll get in fights. If you want to see the females, they're like about 2 times bigger than the males, and they're attracted to the dark.
Oh, we're coming.
Go, 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 Chloe, go, Chloe. Go, Chloe. Go, Chloe.
Go near me, go near me. One's coming, one's coming.
Who's coming? Right here, Chloe, Chloe. Simba's sleeping.
Simba! Wake up!
Leave him alone.
We want to see you. Wake up before I smack you.
If you want to see him, go watch The Lion King. Alright, let's go. Let's go find the elephants. Look at Camille. Look at Sabrina. They're all petting. Oh, look at Chloe. 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 Closer, Chloe. Come on, Chloe. Ooh. Oh, you did a good job.